A level of skill that borders on the mystical, a weird sense of things that overpowered cannot be boring or banal or hackneyed, which are given as choice A and choice B. Prosaic as choice C also means ordinary or tedious or boring. Besides, such skill cannot be erratic or vacillating, which means irregular because this skill is to be attained by consistent performance with regular practices. So choice E is also eliminated along with choice A, choice B, and choice C. Ineffable as choice F means too great or extreme to be expressed or described in words, or marvelous. Which is also meant by stupendous as choice D means amazing. So the correct answers are choice F and choice D.